Have you ever felt like life got a little too serious? Like you're just ticking boxes, chasing goals, forgetting how to actually live? What if the secret to growing as a human being was hidden in a parrot? Meet the Kea, a wild alpine parrot found only in New Zealand, and officially the world's smartest bird. But what makes the Kea so special isn't just its brain, it's its playfulness. Keas are known to slide down snowy rooftops for fun, steal boots, and even play with other animals, for no reason at all. But there's a deeper wisdom in that behavior, one that might just be the key to your personal growth. Play isn't just for kids. In fact, research shows that adults who engage in playful activities, whether it's sports, games, or even creative hobbies, are more adaptable, less stressed, and more emotionally intelligent. Play builds resilience. It helps you solve problems. It unlocks creative thinking. And just like the Kea, it keeps your mind sharp while your soul stays light. Too many of us have replaced play with pressure. We trade curiosity for calendars, joy for deadlines, growth for grinding. But evolution didn't design us to live like that. Even in the wild, animals play. Wolves play to learn hunting skills. Young primates play to build social bonds. And yes, the Kea plays, just because life's more beautiful when you do. So, what would happen if you started living like a Kea? If you added more play into your day, even just 10 minutes? What could change? Maybe you'd feel more energized, more open, more you. You're not just meant to survive, you're meant to thrive. And sometimes the first step is letting go and playing again. This is Prime Wild, where we learn from the wilderness within us. If you felt something from this, hit subscribe and become part of the tribe. Let's grow.